Before you take out or order in, one of the things you can do is to check out the menus online, because that way you can look at the nutritional values of what you're thinking about eating. It'll help you make better choices, and it also helps you to commit to your choice. Some of the best bet cuisines when you're ordering out or ordering in are Mediterranean cuisines or Asian cuisines, because these tend to focus on low-fat proteins and vegetables. The other thing you can do is you can add to your home-delivered meal or the meal that you're picking up. For instance, if you're ordering pizza, order a thin crust because it'll have fewer calories. Look for low-fat toppings and put lots of veggies on top, but add a salad that you can make at home. If you're ordering Chinese takeout, one of the things you can do is to steam or microwave some extra vegetables while you're waiting for the delivery. There's always extra sauce in that food and you can just mix it in. You can do the same thing with Indian food. It also helps to know how your foods are prepped so that you can make better choices. For example, if you're going to a Mexican restaurant or if you're ordering in, choose corn tortillas rather than flour tortillas and you can save a lot of calories. With Chinese foods, for example, you'll want to choose stir fry rather than deep fry. Look for words like crispy or crunchy on the menu because that usually means that the food is fried. The basics are this: look for vegetables first, look for lean proteins, and then build your meal around that.